barn was over here. There was a wagon shed here, and a tool shop, and a chicken house out there. And over there was a hog pen and another chicken house out there. And this,
Now, Alan, how long did it take you to walk to school?
I don't remember.
What direction did you take? Did you do fence roads or the road?
No, I had to do the road. Up to Liberty Hall when we went to the grade school.
Yeah.
We went down there, and there was a foot log down there, went across, and you went up over the hill and through the woods to the grade school in Jessup.
Grade school, but when you went to town,
You went,
the way we just came out, I never looked at, I should have looked.
It's over a mile, so I'm working on 2 miles. I was
Oh, I would say, yeah, I would think it'd be 2 miles.
I have to go back and look.
Oh, that's
Said
okay.
that, I wasn't sure, you know, 'cause-
yeah.
but I only was ever out here
Not,
once.
feel
Yes,
free to
well-
walk all around, go up on the porch,
Thank you
whatever you
very
want to
much.
do.
We have,
Do want to go
we're
through
gathering some pictures for you and your husband too.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to go through the first level, feel free.
Okay, thank you.
Wait a minute.
That picture in the original house in the frame.
See, there's the stuff. Linda, where's Linda?
She's coming.
Linda, you just asked about that stone wall. See, there's just a short stone wall that was built up. You're good.
Before we came, the road, Water Street, came right up.
Right up.
This,
Mhm.
right in front of the wall, and went back through there.
We found a picture today.
Oh, that's what they
See if she can
said. That's what
find
they
it.
were going to show me.
Yes, actually 3 doors across the front.
This was probably one of the larger farms.
Well, who did he buy it?
On the
Who
left,
Grandpa
if
buy
you
it
look
from?
at it,
Who Grandpa buy it from?
Okay.
How'd he get it?
My grandfather,
Oh, no, your grandfather owned it.
yeah, he bought it. He bought it in '02.
Penner.
Yeah, he bought it in '02.
Okay.
And then that was, I don't know what year they had moved here because they was married in like 1910 or 1911. And so it would have been maybe there's that, but that's we would live here the rest of that time.
Wow.
Yeah.
I got a picture.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the same one pretty much.
And it's, yeah, all these farms, well, there was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There was at least 10 farms that joined us right immediately at the end of the thing. It was right at the hub of all of them.
I wonder if they came from land grant originally, like Williamstown or something. Now.
It's possible, but I'm not sure just exactly when that was.
There were a lot, like in Shippensburg,
Yeah.
we actually have seen the land grant
Yeah.
deeds.
Yeah, right.
King George and William.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was back. And then when we took and
Okay.
was growing up, all the boys trapped.
Right.
Their great-grandfather.
Yeah, this is
Who lived here then? When this was,
that's when
That's when
Alan.
Alan,
okay,
Okay.
this is
When
when
they-
Alan lived.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly. Yeah.
and that one is their
And
great-grandfather.
yeah, here there's 2 pictures in here. Here's the outbuildings.
Okay.
And there's another one I want to copy for you because they had just put a new metal roof on the barn. And all the outbuildings are wood
So
roof.
this was the house and this was the barn.
Yes.
Set here
So
in front.
it was, yeah.
It would have been
And
there
this
down
is-
in front here.
Yeah,
And
the
this
barn.
is their father.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
there are the 2 doors. That's the picture I want to have blown up for you. That's
Oh
my
God.
grandfather. That's Alan's father. There are the 2 doors because there's the corner of the house, and there's a wall. There was a wall in between, and this door took you into the washroom.
Okay, I remember you talking, and you said there was a back stair way, right? To
Yes,
go up there?
Alan said yes.
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 Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Because the stairway, when we came here, the kitchen was where we sat that day at the table. That was where they had the kitchen.
Yes.
That would have been originally yes.
Right, and at the end of the table on the west end,
Yeah,
that's
it would be
where
maybe $3. And you get down to number 4, you might get $1.50.
Less white.
Yes.
Less white.
And that dollar went a lot further back then.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that was a week's work.
A number
Right
one
there?
sky. I have never heard that.
No, me neither.
That's the way it was done. Then you had possums, that you get maybe 75 cents.
Right. Yeah.
Coons, you might get $7, $8. If you there was lucky enough to get a purse right, it would be $20.
Wow.
So that would be a couple of weeks' work.
She has a question. About a stairway. Can you answer her question?
Who?
Barbara.
Oh, gee, out here.
Yes. She's over there with the pink hat on.
Yeah, there.
Oh, okay.
There we're up in the field. Can you see that?
We have one from the backfield. It makes a beautiful picture.
It does. And there you see the new metal roof, and all the other buildings are wood. It must be the fall of the year because look at the smoke coming out of the chimney.
When we came, it was just this part. That's that building over there, and they were using, the nuns were using it for goats
Okay.
when they were here.
Okay.
They called it their goat town.
See,
Oh, I'm sorry.
So you sold it to the Catholic Church?
no, we sold it to Henry Hoke, guy that was in the lumber business. And later on, it was maybe him or another later on where the nuns bought the property, and they had it for umpteen years, and they put a back part on and everything. They had a room and everything back here.
Are you surprised that it's been kept intact?
No,
Nobody's broken it up?
well,
Really appreciate
this back here would not be
if you want to make a trip
something that a contractor would look for, because he'd have to come in here and he would just have this here, and it wouldn't be appealing.
Okay.
The location back here
Okay.
just wouldn't be.
Do you think you can rally everybody to get a photo? If they get in front of that wall there.
How about if we do a photo before the sun goes down any further?
Okay, what would be nice, I think, if we all went up on the porch and divided up across the front of the porch there, I think that would be a real nice picture.
Or even in front of this wall, because there might be some shadows on the porch.
I hit the road, so I don't